rolling in my Tesla, riding through the stratosphere. I'm on a
amazing application called SUNO, and this gives you super realistic AI music. It actually started out on Discord, and now they've created their own website. You can actually pay to use the service, or you can have it completely free of charge, where you get up to 150 credits free. Just to let you know that it's supposed to be not for commercial use, especially if you're on the free band. So if you pay for it, then you'll be able to use it in general commercial terms. But I'm telling you right now, the music is mind-blowing. And this is a prompt that I recently used for an Elon Musk song, so a rap song about Dunkin' Donuts. Are great for Elon Musk while driving his Tesla. If you want to do that yourself, you just put the prompt below, just create it, and it is super fast. It usually takes under 2 minutes to compose 2 songs, so it gives you 2 options, but it's incredible. It creates the verse, the chorus, the lyrics, the actual music as well, which is AI music, and also the voice over the actual artist singing that song in a genre of your music as well. So there you go, super fast, it's already done. What verse? Rolling in my Tesla, feeling so fly, rocket to the moon, Elon Musk in the sky. I need a quick snack because I'm on the go. Dunkin' Donuts calling, yo, they're stealing the show. So let's listen to that version.
rolling in my Tesla, feeling so fly, rocket to the moon, Elon Musk in the sky. I need a quick snack, cause I'm on the go. Dunkin' Donuts calling, yo, they stealing the show. Donuts in my hands, donuts in my ride.
That is really incredible. I mean, what you can really apply these to is advertisements, your social media channel. You can make them viral. You can even put them onto Spotify to a level. Like I said, it's not really for commercial use. So if you do get famous, you might see some lawsuits possibly in the future. You've got to be careful of that. So you can, if you want to, pay for some general commercial use for this. So you can manage your subscription. So there's a pro plan, 2,500 credits. And as it says here, general commercial terms, this one non-commercial terms. Video, I'm going to show you what you can actually use it for. So I did another track previously, another rap song.
My Tesla riding through the stratosphere. I'm on a mission, I need my morning feel so clear. Dunkin' Donuts on the corner, I can smell the sweet.
Now, I'm going to use this in a video very soon, show you which application you can use that for. I mean, there's so many AI video generation applications you can use now, but this is one of the best, which is RunwayML. You can use that. But I'm going to also show you this version of the song, which is pop.
Pulling up, else the charge to drive. Rolling through the morning, needing something to survive. It's craving donuts and satisfied. Sees the Dunkin' sign on.
I mean, that would be perfect for an advertisement. Definitely for Dunkin' Donuts. And Elon Musk could be the actor in the advertisement. If you would ever do such a thing, who knows? Those are lyrics that it can randomly make for you. You can also go to this create custom lyrics where it will upload the track for you, the previous tracks of their lyrics. This is something that I've already created the lyrics, and actually I create this lyrics using this Claude AI, which is what I usually use, and I put the actual prompt in there, and it gave some different lyrics, completely different lyrics, more in tune with Elon Musk. And I put that into Sunno, and I put it in the style of music pop, and I generated it, and it came up with this.
Stop to get his fix. Dunkin' Donuts, they so clutch. Got all kinds, glazer coolers, can't get enough. Elon order up a dozen, hot and fresh. Apple fritters and Boston creams.
Let me show you how you can apply it in a video format. So this is what I did. I went over to RunwayML. And I typed in a prompt here to a Tesla car driving along the motorway, and this is what it gave me. And Elon Musk is actually driving that car right now, if you can just imagine that. And that is one of the clips. And I tried this prompt as well with RunwayML, but he didn't really come out that great. That's supposed to be Elon Musk, but not a great likeness. And then the other clip. Now, the first part of that clip, the opening part, it really does look like Elon Musk. And he's holding some donuts. So I decided I'm going to use that. Whilst he's eating donuts, driving his car, Tesla car along the motorway. I know it's not the right color, but I used that anyway. I'm going to use those clips, and I already put this into Canva already. And this is what I did. I put the clips into Canva, and also I applied the music as well. So I downloaded, for what you can do with Sunno is that you can download the music, and it's completely free for the credits that you have. Download the video, and you can also download audio, and you can also download a video. And the video, so this is what Sunno actually gives you. It's like a audio video with an image behind and some text on the front with the Sunno logo. And when you play it, it plays the music.
In my Tesla, riding through the stratosphere. I'm on a mission, I need my morning fuel so clear.
However, I made it into a video. So this is the video that I've actually come up with, and it's 20 seconds long. And I've completed it already. And I'm going to show you what the video looks like. Let's have a look.
Through the stratosphere, I'm on a mission, I need my morning feel so clear. Dunkin' Donuts on the corner, I can smell the sweet delight. Gotta get my fix, gotta take a bite, yeah. I'm whipping in my ride.